Here's an old school process, and that is the making of the grids that go into lead acid batteries. And those plates, some positive and some negative, are manufactured using lead or lead alloy. And you can see plenty of them stacking up. But that's not all there is to it, not just cleaning these plates, loading them up with molten metal, and pressing those grids or mesh. Once enough of those are done, then they'll need to be coated to end up being included in a lead acid battery, which requires lots of them. Several plates end up arranged, alternating positive and negative, with separators to keep them from touching. Each set of plates is then placed into a compartment with others to be a cell. The cells are then connected, and it's those cells all connected that give you all that power. The special coatings going on now, different pastes being applied and pressed into those spaces. And those can help with conductivity. Look at how those holes disappear, an experienced hand pressing those plates down. Different mixtures, different chemical makeups of these pastes depending on the manufacturers. These ones looking a lot like clay. And then they're pressed. Put between a few sheets of different materials to, of course, protect the item, but run through and absolutely flattened one at a time. Out they come on the other side, and the finished product looks like this. And once a whole series of those are ready, they can be set up. A stack ready to become a cell, ready to be included in a lead acid battery. And just look at how many got made here. Now paired off and laid down for the next step in the manufacturing process. But it all starts with melting down a little lead and pressing it into sheets, things you probably never thought were deep down inside the battery of so many different devices you've used over the years.